So, in-implement ko yung wait operation using semaphore.acquire dito sa deposit and withdraw method. So, ito siya. And then, in-implement ko din yung signal operation using semaphore.release dito din pareho sa deposit and withdraw methods. So, ito siya. Tapos, nilagay ko yung semaphore inside the deposit and withdraw methods kasi minomodify niya yung shared variables, which is the account balance, and yung balance is critical section siya ng program. So, by placing the acquire operation before modifying the balance and the release operations after niya ma-update is sinusure niya na iisang thread lang ang makakapag-access and makapag-modify ng balance at a time.